This is my friend Zayna. After 2 years of having locks, she decided to comb them out. As you can imagine, there was a nice amount of damage that happened during this process. So in today's video, we are going to give a refresh. We're going to cut, moisturize, and reset her styles to bring her curls back to life. So we have just shampooed Zayna's hair. I did shampoo her hair twice, and now I have this Intense Moisture K-PAK by Joico in her hair. It's an intense moisture treatment that's gonna soften her hair so we can do our detangling. As you can see, the brush is kind of just gliding through the hair, which we love. That shows that the product is working with her strands and not against them. The curl poppage is kind of there. I'm not gonna lie. From where we started and where we are now, yeah, the curl poppage is there. So we are just gonna detangle her hair really nicely. And as we're detangling her hair, this product is, look at the curls. You see them? Yeah. As I was saying, while I'm detangling her hair, this product is getting a chance to really penetrate through the strands, so we're not gonna have to sit under a heated cap afterwards. This conditioner would have had enough time to set to where after I'm done detangling, we can go ahead and rinse this out. And this process didn't take very long, but I did take my time making sure I started from the ends and worked my way up to the roots. I was very gentle. She can back me up. I kept asking her, was I hurting her? Was I hurting her? She told me to stop asking her that because it wasn't hurting. So I'm being gentle. Now that we are all detangling, as you can see, it wasn't a lot of shedding. I went ahead and rinsed her hair out with cold water just to lock that moisture in place, and now I'm using my blow dryer with the comb attachment to kind of stretch her hair out so we can see what needs to be trimmed. Y'all already know I believe in trimming your hair on stretched hair, just so you're able to see all the split ends and what really needs to go. I'm focusing on the parts of her hair that are see-through, so towards the bottom you can kind of see that towel through her ends. That's where I'm gonna be cutting. She was not happy about it, but this is my friend and she trusts me, so we're just gonna go in. As always, I like to start at the bottom just to cut off that excess length that we don't need anymore. So I'm gonna trim straight across at a 0 angle or just straight down, and then I'll split the hair up so we can get into the middle of the hair that doesn't quite reach the ends. We want to make sure that we get that part as well, because some splits can be hidden within the hair. And my apologies that you can't see everything, because y'all, the way we was kikiing I didn't pay attention to recording. Like, I barely got this footage for y'all, I promise you. We had such a good time just talking, catching up, and that was just the vibe of this entire situation. So if it's not precise, I am sorry, but we was really chopping it up. And honestly, y'all, I really encourage, if you have a good girlfriend and y'all haven't seen each other in a while, go visit your friend. Y'all set up a date or whatever you have to do. Go see her at her house. She comes to your house, have a movie night, whatever. But this really was something that my soul needed, and I didn't know it at the time, but I really enjoyed myself. Like, we had a great time, and we was just in her kitchen like majority of the day. So much laughter, so much conversation, so much fun. I'm telling you, it's good for the soul. But as I'm trimming her hair, I did pull her hair out to a 90-degree or straight out, and that first initial cut that I made is gonna be my guide to cut around her entire head, which is called a traveling guide. Now, when we get up to the front of her hair, it was a lot of damage. She told me, she said as she was taking down her locks, she just kind of got frustrated and was just yanking out the hair at that point. And you could really tell. So even though her hair is pretty long, in the front there is a lot of breakage, and we weren't able to get everything cleaned up today. But over a few months, 3 to 6 months, with good maintenance, we should be able to even out that front to match the length in the back. But as you can see, we're at a really good starting place. Her hair is even. It's a nice fresh cut. I really love it. She loved it. Even though she was fighting with me at first, she ended up really loving how nice and healthy her hair felt. So this is a win-win. Now we're gonna go ahead and style her hair because we can't finish off the video without a good old style. So for today, I wanted to do a wash and go because I really wanted to see those curls pop. So I'm gonna be going section by section, wetting her hair again. I know it seems crazy that we just blow dried and then I'm gonna wet it, but yes, I'm gonna wet her hair again, and then I'm gonna go in with the Chief Rocka mousse as my first product, and then we're gonna go on top with the Miche. One of my subscribers said this was a killer combo, and when I say thank you thank you for this combo because it was so good. Y'all are gonna see the curl poppage and how these curls came to life, y'all. I promise you. So as you can see, I'm going in on wet hair with the Chief Rocka first, making sure that the curls are already popping from that alone. And then I'm gonna go right on top with the Miche gel and begin the shingling method. Y'all, I wish I can unmute this video so you can hear how hilarious this entire conversation was. Oh, but it's too much tea and it's too many name drops. I can't even, but y'all, we had a good time. And y'all, look at these curls. Come on now. Like, it looks so good. The definition is amazing. The Miche does such a good job with hold and moisture. Her hair felt so good, y'all. Like, I can't even hold you. Especially with this cut, it is nothing like a fresh cut and then going in with a wash and go. Like, night and day difference. Now again, in the front, you are gonna see that her hair is shorter. I could not get everything. It is unrealistic sometimes for your hair to be as perfect as you want it to be on the first go round, but like I said, give it 3 to 6 months. Let that front hair kind of grow out, and I promise you this wash and go is gonna be everything. But it looks pretty good. Look at these curls. I did a close-up because you needed to see it. Wow. Now, I didn't have my hooded dryer because I was in a whole different city, but I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer and just blow the hair until it's completely dry, and then I'll go back in with the blow dryer and kind of stretch the hair out so we can create some type of shape. I definitely focused in the front of her hair, trying to elongate that hair since it was shorter and trying to just even it out as much as I could. But before you do this, you do want to make sure your hair is almost 100% dry because you don't want to disturb those curls because then it'll create frizz. I'm looking at this footage right now and OMG, the shine. I forgot to mention the shine, y'all. Ooh, it looks so good. Next, I'm just gonna take some bobby pins to kind of just put the hair where I want it to go. Stretch out that front to kind of bring that hair forward to kind of frame her face a little bit more. Just kind of playing with the shape, and it looks so good. It looks so good right now. I can't. And look how cute. This is my friend. This is right before we're about to go out. So we did her makeup, and look at her hair. It looks great. It looks great. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun this day. I know it's a little bit different, but I hope you stuck with me. Please leave it in the comments if you enjoyed this. Again, my name is Brandy Lachey, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.